In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a campaign on Facebook Ads Manager on PC 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to Facebook Ads Manager. The easiest way is to search for Facebook Ads Manager and open the official page from Meta. On that page, look for the button that says Go to Ads Manager and click it. This takes you to the login screen if you're not already signed in. Enter your email and password associated with your Facebook account, then click Log In. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, complete that prompt as well. After logging in, you may see multiple ad accounts if you manage more than one. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct ad account before you make any changes. Once you're in, you'll land on the campaigns dashboard. Across the top, you'll usually see three tabs: campaigns, ad sets, and ads. Make sure you're on the campaigns tab so you're viewing the list of campaigns. If you don't immediately see the one you want to remove, use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by name, delivery status, or date range. It's a good practice to double check the results so you don't delete the wrong item. Next, select the campaign you want to delete. You can click anywhere on the row to highlight it or use the checkbox on the left if you prefer. With the campaign selected, look toward the top action bar for the trash bin icon. That trash bin represents the delete action. Click it to begin the deletion process. A confirmation window will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete. This is your last chance to verify you've selected the correct campaign. When you're confident, click delete to confirm. After you do this, the campaign will be removed from your active view and it won't deliver any more ads. You will not be able to reactivate that exact campaign. So if you think you might need the setup later, consider duplicating or pausing it before you delete. Also note that historical results may still be visible in reporting for record keeping, but no new spend will occur on a deleted campaign. That's all there is to it. You searched for Facebook Ads Manager, went to the Ads Manager page, logged in, opened the campaign's dashboard, selected the campaign, clicked the trash bin, and confirmed delete. If you're ever unsure, pausing a campaign is a safer, temporary option, and you can always come back to delete it once you're certain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.